Well, hello everyone. It's April 15th and it's a Wednesday. And usually this would be tax day, but with coronavirus, everything has been pushed back. I mean, the whole world has been pushed back, economy's pushed back. And just as we thought we were getting out of this mess, the market falls back down. Global stocks and oil prices tumbled Wednesday after the IMF said world's economy will suffer its worst year since the Great Depression of the 30s. And I think we kind of knew that already. The price of oil hit a new 18-year low as IEA said demand will drop by 9.3 million barrels per day in 2020. Demand in April will hit its lowest since 1995. I remember that period. It wasn't pretty. IMF said this year's global economic output will shrink by 3%, a bigger loss than 2009's 0.1 decline during the financial crisis. That was a sharp reverse from the fund's January forecast of 3.3% growth from the virus. U.S. President Trump said he's discussing how to roll back federal social distancing recommendations. U.S. governors are collaborating on plans to reopen their economies in what is likely to be a gradual process to prevent the coronavirus from rebounding. Smart. Now, Europe, in Italy, Spain, other places around Europe where infections and deaths have been stabilizing, the process of reopening economies is already underway. Some businesses and industries are being allowed to reopen in a calibrated effort to balance public health and their country's economic well-being, which is really good. IMF expects economic contraction this year of 5.9% in the U.S., 7.9% in 19 European countries, 5.2% in Japan, and 6.5% in UK. Ouch. The fund said China should eke out 1.2% growth this year. Can you imagine that? Better than private sectors expected. That's kind of odd. All in all, as I said to you folks, don't get too happy about this market. There's going to be a lot of spokes and there's going to be a lot of issues that are going to cause this market to have a rough time going higher. Now, today is Wednesday, and Wednesday I give you the best stock, including stop loss and a pick. So let's get into it. Today, I'm picking Ross Stores. Now, Ross Stores is on the bottom of this is the QQQ short list of stocks that are the worst stocks, and I can go best stocks and I can go worst stocks just by clicking this button. And as you can see, American Airlines, Expedia, Marriott, Wynn, all the travel stocks. But over here we got Ross Stores right next to Baidu. Now Ross is a retailer, and retailers stores are just not doing great this year. Now, we had a nice little rally. We bottomed out at about 56 and we went as high as 95. And I believe this stock is going to be coming down and testing its low. So I'm going to put a sell stop right around. The stock is going to open lower. So I'm going to put a sell stop right around the 80. It closed at 90. I'm going to put a sell stop right at the 85. Oh, how about 85 even? We'll put a sell stop. Now, if the sell stop, we're going to short this stock. And if it gets hit, we're going to put a buy stop. We're going to cover it at 96.52. So we're going to sell it at 85 and we're going to cover it at 95. Now, we're also going to pick an option, and I'm not expecting to stay in this option very long, but we want to look for an option that expires, say, 31 days from now. Nah, too soon. How about 129 days from now, giving us a little time, all right? Now, remember, we're going to buy this put when we hit 85, and we're going to liquidate this put when the stock goes back to 95. And if it doesn't hit 85, we don't do anything. So let's go to the puts, and let's look at the 85 puts. They have reasonable open interest, not too bad of a spread. It's going to tighten up when the market opens. But let's look at the 85 strike price, and let's try to get this option at the midpoint, whatever that midpoint is, when the stock hits 85. So we're going to buy the 8/21, we're going to buy the August 21 expiration. We're going to sell this option short when the stock breaks below 85, and we're going to cover the stock when it goes above 95. We're going to sell short when it goes below 85. We're going to cover when it goes above 95. And we're going to buy the August expiration. I think it's August 21st. Let's take a look here. Yeah, August 21st. It's a monthly option. It's not a weekly option. We're going to buy the 85 strike price. I don't know what the price of it is going to be because it's probably going to be around $8, maybe $9, but we're going to use it as a proxy and we're going to go no higher than the mid at the point where the stock is at $85. And then if it goes to $8.95, we're going to cover our short, lick our wounds, and we're going to sell this 85. So we're going to buy the August 21st expiration, 85 strike price put when the stock hits 85 on a stop. And we're going to pay the midpoint. And then we're going to liquidate it when it goes back to 95. Now, what about profit? Here's where I'm taking profit on this stock. I believe the stock price is going to go all the way to 70 right here. So we're going to get in at 85 right here, and we're going to hold it till we hit about 70. Our stop loss, our protective price, is right here around 95. Maybe let's go 96. How about 96.40? Get us out of that room here. Because if we go higher, there's a good chance we're going to hit the 200-day. So we're going to sell it right here. We're going to cover it right here. And we're going to buy the 85 put that expires August 21st. Now, before I let you go, I recently uncovered a secret strategy to make instant income like $1,550 on Google, $1,750 on NVIDIA. How about $2,940 on PayPal? All in 60 seconds or less of work each week. Since the crisis started, you could have used this rate to pull $2,000 plus from Tesla 4 times. 4 times. If you missed this broadcast with James West and me yesterday, click the link below or the button after this video. Watch it now. Again, folks, learn how to uncover $1,550 on Google, $1,750 on NVIDIA, $2,940 on PayPal. 60 seconds of work or less. Check this out. Since this coronavirus started, we could have pulled out over $2,000 from Tesla 4 times. Follow the link below. Get in on it now. Don't miss out. Talk soon.